feel it coming right up. The little water pump on the trailer failed after about a week. The poor girl's finally getting to take a shower, so.
Well, we're getting down.
Had to improvise. All right, I'll go grab the other hot water. Ouch, super hot. I'm gonna add a little cool water in here. It's still pretty hot.
This is working really good.
Awesome, glad to hear it. I'll heat up some more water. Pretty makeshift, got like sheets hanging up and everything, but we're making it work. It's a rainy one outside. Just a rainy day to be alive. That's a big yawn. That's a really big yawn. Do we even go outside? Do we want to hang out? I don't know how comfortable it would be to hang out in here all day. The ceiling's not even a foot from my face. I got a butt implant, but it's where they put a part on your chest.
They messed it up.
They messed it up. Well, at least this tarp's holding up, keeping the rain off us, you know. It's one of those situations where we gotta decide if we want to pack up in the rain or stay here another day. It's gonna rain all day. But if we stay here all day, we're just gonna be hanging out in Java or under this tarp or in the Jeep with about a foot of headroom. No headroom, actually, a foot of face room when you're laying down. So those are our options today. First off though, coffee.
You said coffee, I said tea.
You said tea. Oh, tea for the miss. Miss. Not misses. Tea for the miss.
Well, I'm gonna head out.
What do you think we should do? We hang out under these tarps and Javas all day?
We should go find donuts.
We should go find donuts? That's a good option.
Autumn in New York, glittering crowds and shimmering clouds in canyons of steel.
So I'm getting the old lady some manners from the grocery store. You'll never guess what I spotted outside the grocery store here in Braga, Michigan. Last time I saw this sucker was, well, I was about 8-9 years old. My parents took me to a monster truck derby. It's freaking Bigfoot, dude. How cool is that? Yeah, I was about 8-9 years old. They took me to a monster truck derby. Saw this sucker doing jumps and stuff. Yeah, super random that's here in Braga, but yeah, right down the road. Had to get a picture with it. Had to come over and check it out. So cool. Also, apparently it's Baraga, Michigan. I just heard a local say it. Bigfoot! Here in Baraga, Michigan.
There clouds. Clouds.
This'll do. You look extremely good today. You look like you live on the road out of a Jeep.
I gotta make a hole. Not like that, for a straw, Jake.
Well, yeah, duh, what else would it be for? Eating?
That too, because you know I do a lot of that.
You could eat anything through the hole like that. 5:13, that's Wisconsin time. It's really, it's 6:13. You're going to bed, 6:13.
Even better of a reason to get into the Jeep earlier.
I'll take the skeeters. I'll take them over sitting in one spot any day, don't you know? Why does that UP accent just come? Oh, because we're in the UP. Don't you know? We're up north. It gets a little Irish. Yeah.
I don't know what's going on with your feet too when you do that.
We're up north in the Northwoods. Yeah, we went pretty far out north in the Northwoods. And it's getting pretty Canadian out here.
Wait, I don't know if I'm doing this right.
If it's red, it's recording. If it's not red, it's not recording.
Is it red?
Yeah.
I was doing it?
This here is a mosquito net. You know what it does. We got 2 of them. This tarp is a camouflage tarp. Who needs an awning? 15 bucks. We also have an awning.
I just had a mosquito fly in my mouth as I was brushing my teeth. Oh!
Was it in your mouth?
It was still on my toothbrush.
Going to bed?
Yeah. Oh, he's going back for a 3rd time, alright.